무얼 따라갈지 yeah. 똑바로 나를 쳐다봐 난 무얼 원하는지
Hello, happy Thursday. We are on our way to the airport. We just stopped by to get gas, but my cousins are coming into town and they are going to be spending the weekend with us and staying with us in Texas. We're excited! But it's storming right now. They just happen to be landing in the middle of a storm, but hopefully by the time they land, the worst of it has passed. But we got a good one going on right now. But I will see you guys once we pick them up. I'm so excited.
Oh, that's delicious, guys.
Heading to Austin. We made it to the state capital.
They got the fun fire hydrant.
An American fire hydrant.
Yeah. Oh, hi.
Texas fire hydrant.
Wait, let me do it.
There's no water. It is so hot right now. Like, luckily it's not as humid as we thought it would be, but it's still burning. It's still pretty hot.
Tokyo, but I haven't been to a capital like this. Is where?
Yeah, it's at a White House.
We're in Austin.
We got Whataburger for the first time, and we're gonna try it out.
These burgers are huge.
Yeah, we each got a Whataburger with cheese, some fries, and then there's spicy ketchup. So
Spicy ketchup.
I'm going to not take anything out and just try. I thought these were gonna be tiny.
I know. I thought you had one before.
No, I've never had Whataburger before.
We're doing it together!
I have lived in Texas for over a year and I have never tried Whataburger.
She saved it for us.
So, first time.
It comes with
Mustard, lettuce, tomato, diced onions.
Oh, maybe I didn't want the pickles. Okay. I didn't want the tomato pickles. I'm just taking them out.
Oh, and pickles. Alright.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I think because I'm really hungry, it tastes good.
Yeah, I'm okay with it.
Or maybe it just tastes good in general.
Yeah.
So anticlimactic.
There's a smell.
It's not bad though.
Yeah.
Like I was because Chris was like, they put so much mustard on it.
I like mustard though.
I'm okay with mustard as long as it doesn't touch my lips. I'm fine.
Why? Are you allergic?
I don't know. I could eat it, but if it gets on my skin, I break out. If it's In-N-Out versus Shake Shack, I choose Shake Shack.
Yeah, I would too, because I like the variety.
I'm an In-N-Out girl.
I would go Shake Shack, In-N-Out, Whataburger. Let's go. Cheers.
Cheers. JJ face. Oh wait, we didn't see your face, Alyssa. Here, we'll do it low. Welcome back to.
Hey guys, welcome back
Again.
to our channel. We're trying Dr. Bombay's Tropical Sherbet Swizzle. It's a pineapple and orange citrus blend.
Oh, it's like the big stick.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
And
okay.
then we're gonna mix it with
Wait,
pineapple
you have a cup?
soju.
I have my.
You want
Pineapple soju.
No, I can just try.
What? Okay, tell me how it is.
right?
I don't know.
It's like a.
You're the professional. I didn't go.
It's like chunky because
You want to try to
it's chunky.
strong.
It's not bad though.
No.
I think that's the first time I've ever tried pineapple soju.
Yeah, it's not bad though.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just try and. I think you might want to stir it.
Yeah, see, that's why I put a lot of sherbet because I know myself. I don't like the taste of alcohol. I need to mix everything. I like the sherbet, but oh, look.
I think it tastes better by itself. Who's going first?
Category?
Rock, paper, scissors. Who goes
I'm not
first?
sure. I'll go last.
Okay.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Take a picture of this. Take a picture of that.
Isn't it not recording already?
Yes. Oh, is it? Okay, next one.
Next one.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so sing it again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh! Okay, you. Okay, go.
Okay,
Go.
lollipops. And then hit this.
Skittles.
Kit Kat.
Whatchamacallit?
Red vines.
Dum-dums.
Jujubes.
Oh my god. Peppermint patty?
Sing it.
That's the only part.
I haven't tried birria. I've been wanting to because
You just said it's right.
I haven't found a good one in San Diego. I haven't really looked.
What's all the ones in your house?
We made it to Bucky's! Bucky's dog shirts. I get Lily a little sweater. Yeah. So cute. Which one are you? Do you get to choose which one? I don't know.
No, they're good, but I wanted like this. Ooh, that's nice.
Last morning, in Texas.